Introducing CRYPTED. CRYPTED is a puzzle box that contains 9 individual puzzles. Players have to solve them all to get inside. CRYPTED features many of your familiar puzzles, but all with a unique twist. Get ready to solve puzzles, decipher codes, answer riddles, and explore hidden compartments to crack open one of the most complicated puzzle boxes. CRYPTED is fully reversible, so once you have successfully cracked it open, it can be rewound and back to its original state and given to a friend for a challenge. Test your skills against your friends, family members, and neighbors to become the puzzle champion. CRYPTED is also a perfect gift for your loved ones. We have been designing and testing the CRYPTED Puzzle Box for a very long time and are excited to show it to the world. Each and every face of CRYPTED are designed and adjusted again and again to ensure that every puzzle is as difficult as it can be while still being intuitive. Most of the designs are now finalized and ready for production. What CRYPTED now needs is your support. Please back us on Indiegogo and help us bring this project to life. We are eternally grateful for your support and share.